Good morning, students. Let's move on to the fourth property of magnet. Till now, we studied three properties. What was it? That magnet exert their influence through various materials. Magnets exert more magnetic force at the ends. Okay? And these ends are called as the poles of the magnet. So, magnetic force is maximum at the poles. The third property we studied was that magnet always comes to rest in the north-south direction. Now we'll move on to the fourth characteristic, that like poles repel and unlike poles always attract each other. Children, you can take two bar magnets if you have got it at home and keep them on a table end to end. ठीक है, एक end और दूसरा end ऐसे, two ends. And you will find that either the two magnets will stick to each other, या तो वो दोनों के दोनों stick हो जाएंगे, ठीक है, और it will be difficult to bring them together. ऐसे ऐसे वो repel करेंगे. Either they will stick or they will repel. They will not stick. कितना भी ट्राई कर लो वो नहीं स्टिक होगा. Now what is the reason? The reason is that the north pole of one magnet attracts the south pole of another magnet. Okay, the north pole of one magnet, here you can see in the figure, north pole of one magnet will attract the south pole of other magnet. So we find that unlike poles, unlike means अलग अलग है ना, एक नॉर्थ पोल है, एक मैग्नेट का दूसरे का साउथ है. सो वी विल सी दैट अनलाइक पोल्स अट्रैक्ट ईच अदर एंड ऑन द अदर हैंड अगर दोनों के नॉर्थ पोल एक साथ आएंगे तो दे विल रिपेल स्ट्रांगली. उसको कितनी भी कोशिश कर लो वो अट्रैक्ट होगा नहीं, वो दूर ही जाएंगे. ओके, सो व्हाट डज दिस प्रूव? दिस प्रूव दैट द सेम पोल्स, जैसे नॉर्थ नॉर्थ है तो भी एंड साउथ साउथ है तो भी, सो सेम पोल्स और लाइक पोल्स विल always repel each other. Okay, then the next one is, the next property of magnet is that magnetic poles always exist in pairs. ठीक है, we studied that magnet has two poles, north pole and south pole. Even if a magnet breaks into two pieces, अगर ये magnet टूट गया, so again those two parts will serve as पूरा का पूरा complete magnet की तरह ही होगा. That means उसका जो टूटा हुआ portion है it will become south pole, north pole south pole, north pole south pole. Okay, इसको फिर से अगर break करोगे तो again it will be a complete magnet. ये पूरा complete magnet है. So this shows that poles of the magnet always exist in pair. इसको कितने भी छोटे करते जाओ, हर मैग्नेट के टुकड़े का नॉर्थ पोल और साउथ पोल होगा ही होगा. Clear? Then we come to uses of magnets. Now magnets are used for many things. Okay, you will find that paper clip से लेके to the fridge. Even on your fridge you stick so many things. Then your pencil boxes have got magnets. Televisions, computers, music system, magnetic buttons in our dresses, the bags, they all contain different types of magnets or magnets of different shape. Now the maglev trains, America has developed maglev trains which has no wheels. Okay, that means these maglev trains, इसमें कोई wheels होते ही नहीं हैं. These trains are pulled by magnetic force which are acting on the rails. These rails, इस rails में magnetic force है. So these trains move at a very very high speed. Okay, so and this move above the rail, रेलवे ट्रैक के ऊपर मूव करता है बिकॉज इट इज रनिंग ऑन मैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट. ठीक है, देन वी कम टू द precautions. Now whenever you are handling magnet, you should children always keep some precautions. Okay, magnet should never be kept near electronic items, क्योंकि magnet का हमने बताया था magnetic field होता है magnet के चारों तरफ. So this magnetic field will disrupt their working. उसके वर्किंग में प्रॉब्लम आएगा मैग्नेटिक फील्ड के कारण. ओके, सो नेवर प्लेस एनी मैग्नेट near electronic items, and whenever you are storing bar magnets should always be kept in pairs with their opposite ends. ठीक है, उसको हमेशा बार मैग्नेट को पैर में ही रखा जाता है. It should be used to join the ends together. So what happens is that the magnetism of the magnets do not get disrupted. इसको स्टोर किया गया है मैग्नेटिक, एक वुडन ब्लॉक है, वुडन ब्लॉक के अंदर ये मैग्नेट बार मैग्नेट्स को स्टोर किया गया. ठीक है. देन एन आयरन बार शुड बी केप्ट अक्रॉस एंड्स ऑफ हॉर्स शू मैग्नेट. जो हॉर्स शू मैग्नेट है, दिस इज एन हॉर्स शू मैग्नेट. ओके, इसके एंड पे हमेशा आयरन बार रखा जाता है, हमेशा इधर, सो दैट इसका मैग्नेटिज्म जल्दी ख़त्म ना हो. एंड always keep in mind children that iron bars should magnet should never be dropped from height, beaten or heated. मैग्नेट को अगर बीट करोगे या तो हीट करोगे या तो उसको बहुत ऊंचाई से गिराओगे, it will destroy the magnetic character. So what are the precautions? Magnets should never be dropped from height, they should not be beaten or they should not be heated, otherwise they will lose their magnetic property. So with this children, we have finished our chapter. Please read the chapter properly and your syllabus is also over. If you have got any doubt, you can contact me. Thank you and have a wonderful day.